Well guys, so I'm going to give you a little view. These are eddoes, and right now it's getting down in November, so I'm trying to take them out now that I can be able to eat them. This is the best part, because taking care of them is one part. I don't like to dig it with this is one right here. I don't like to use the fork because the fork do damage them, you know. You see what's going on here? That's eddoes right there. I'm kind of using the fork just to wake up the daughter wrong, so you can see what's going on. It looks like there's a lot of eddoes here, guys. If I tell you where I get these eddoes, you mightn't believe. I get these eddoes from one of them Corms store. Look at the size of this eddo. Look at the size of this eddo. You know, I get them from the Korean store, and I had them in an area, and I noticed around March, April this year, I noticed they start springing. So I said, you know what? Let me take these and go and plant them. Look, another one again. So I said, let me take these and go and plant them. Maybe I might be able to get some eddo from them. And that's exactly what I did. I went and I planted them. Watch here. Look guys. Look here. Look at the size of these eddoes. Watch. Wow, this is amazing. Guys, look at this. This is eddoes. But you see the art is beautiful too. Wow. The art is beautiful and rich. So because the art is so rich, it produces a lot. You may see all my little stuff I have down there is winter. This is the head. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break this off like this, break it off. I'm gonna put it in an area, and I'm gonna plant it back next year. I ain't finished yet, guys. Look here again, guys. And if I tell you the amount of eddoes I get from the Koran, you might believe, oh, he got a lot of. No, it was just a few. It was only a few. And look how much. I'm gonna show you when I finish how much eddoes I get from this crop. Look again, guys. This is real good food here. This is really amazing. So this is another head that I'm gonna break again and plant for next year. Let me dig around here, see if there's any more lying around, because it always happens like that. Another one here. I ain't finished yet, you know, guys. This ain't finished. Look here again. Watch here again. Wow. This is the best time you could ever have. Harvest time. Look here again. Look here again. Guys, if you have space in your backyard, I keep saying this a million times, but I know why I'm saying it. If you have space in your backyard, use it. Look the amount of eddoes I have here. From 2 root. This is 2 root of eddoes here.